is up, guys? It's Boy Trav back with another video. We are gonna get into the 240 SX right now. As you guys know, this Friday, I think it's April 16th. You guys, my subscribers, will be choosing the body kit that goes on. Check out my Instagram and TikTok to see which body kits I'm talking about, so you guys aren't lost. But without further ado, today I'm gonna show you the wraps that I got from Tech Wrap. So after the body kit is chosen, you guys will be choosing the wrap that is going on the car. I'm gonna pick out 4, and then of those 4, you guys are gonna choose. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So yesterday we actually went out to my girlfriend's grandparents' house, and she got a flat. So right now she's on a donut, and she needs to get around during the week. You know, I use her car as well, so we actually have to go freaking spend that money and go replace her tire, because it's just the thing to do. It's the right thing to do. So we are gonna go do that real quick, and then when I get back home, put on the tire, I'll go show you guys the wrap. All right, guys, I got the tire loaded up. Let me actually take this gas out, so I don't have to freaking you know, worry about that later. All right, so it actually took me way longer to do, but my girlfriend's tire is on, and it's a beautiful sunset. So I'm gonna take the T40 out. We're gonna go take some pictures real quick. I know I've been stalling. I told you guys in the beginning of the video that I was going to show you guys the Tech Wrap stuff that I got, but we will get to that. All right, guys, so we're gonna drive the 240 for a little bit. I like to drive it every once in a while, just to kind of, you know, keep the car alive, you know, keep the fluids running through the engines. And honestly, just because I don't drive it enough. I work a lot. I work like 50 hours a week, Monday through Friday. I do you know, my social media. I try to post every day on TikTok. I try to post every weekend on YouTube. And then I have my baby, I have my girlfriend, and I also have a side business. So it's gonna take time, but you know, all in all, it will come together soon, you know. Or I mean, by the time the body kit comes in, it'll start looking a little bit more like an actual car. Just some more things have to be done, like obviously you're gonna need a new hood, lights, light brackets, all this stuff, you know, all the little things that we'll get to eventually. The plan is to have this car done, ready, hopefully by my season ender car show, which I'm gonna be throwing. I don't even know where, the venue, like it's really hard to find venues right now, but make a long story short, hopefully it's done by then, because I would love to bring that car out to my season ender, maybe win a couple trophies, but who knows. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive it around a little bit, and then when I get back, I'll show you guys the 4 colors that you guys will be choosing from. Let's get it. All right, guys, so just got back, giving the 240 a nice little drive. She's not overheating, but she is getting hot. The temp gauge, let me show you. The temp gauge reached to about right here was the highest. Right now my radiator fan is not working, so I think my radiator is heating, and my headers emit a lot of heat. I got to get those heat wrapped just so I can kind of keep the heat in check. But yeah, that was it. And we have small little leaks. I'm pretty sure that's from the radiator as well. We got to get that out. We will get that out eventually. I kind of just don't know if I'm gonna do any engine mods, because I do know that I want to swap this engine out in the winter, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But without further ado, man, let me go show you guys these freaking colors that you guys are gonna choose from. These colors are from, I don't know why I keep slipping my mind. These colors are from, let me just show you guys. All right, guys, so these are the wraps I got from Tech Wrap. Honestly, just from these samples, the quality of these wraps are super good. I highly recommend if you're gonna wrap your car, go with tech wrap. A lot of YouTubers use them. A lot of influencers that I talk to on TikTok, they use tech wrap. And even in the car community here in my own city, they use tech wrap. They recommended tech wrap. So that's why we are going with tech wrap. Sweet. First and foremost, number one on the list of the wraps that you guys are going to vote for is this guy right here. Let me get him out so you guys can see. Give him direct sunlight. So this is ruby green. As you see, there are some nice flakes. And I'm putting this first just because I really want this one to win. That one's super cool. I'm loving the green. I'm loving everything about it. And I love the flake. That's number one. Remember this. Number one is ruby green, RB26. That has to be crazy. That's the number. Number two. I don't know. I'm kind of second guessing myself now that I'm actually looking at these wraps. I really don't even know which one I want. Number two, we have which red is this? This is Rogue Red. This is not the red that I want. Give me a second. Hopefully I can find it real quick. All right, so sorry that it's wrinkled. My daughter got a hold of this one, but this was the red that I had inside the house. This one is True Blood. It's GLO1.S. Let me try to give you guys. So this one is super cool. This one is probably my second favorite. Just because I do like red and I'd love to do a red. And it's not really a flake, but it's kind of like a high gloss. Kind of has like a high gloss thing to it, you know? So yeah, this is number two. For 3 out of 4. It's gonna be this pink right here. So this is number 3. Pink lace. And you're like, why the heck is this dude picking a pink? This pink goes hard. Like, I don't know why, but I really like this pink. It's bold, it's different, it'll catch a lot of eyes, and that's kind of what I'm going for. So this is super dope. This is number 3. Number 4 is Ebony Sparkle. And if I had to explain why this is even in the lineup, then oh my goodness. This one is super cool to look at, to see. Ooh. Super quick colors that we will be choosing from. These are so dope. I can't wait to see which one you guys choose. You guys probably be choosing this next month, hopefully. If everything goes to plan with the body kit and everything lines up, then this should be perfect. But look at that. All right, guys, that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys even made it this far, I'm pretty sure all of you guys did, because you guys support the boys so much, and I do appreciate that. Everybody, go follow me on TikTok, GorillaBoy_Trav. Follow me on Instagram, GorillaBoy_Trav. Subscribe, like, guys. Thank you for the love. Last video, we got 74 views, and I think the video before that, I think we're about to hit 100 views, guys. This is phenomenal. I love it. I love the growth. I love talking to you guys. Keep commenting what you guys want. We will be voting for the body kit this Friday, April 16th. I'll probably do it when I get off work, just so that gives everybody time to kind of get ready for it. For all my European people, I will try to post the European time just so you guys can tune in as well, because I know there's some people that missed out on the other when we voted for the wheels. So body kit coming up next, guys. Thank you guys so much. See you soon.